Feel the tension melt away as you awaken your body's secret power spot, your ribs. This isn't just relaxation, it's rejuvenation with purpose. With every rub, you unleash oxygen, energy, and unstoppable focus. Stress gone, fatigue erased, your mind clears, your body fires up, and suddenly you're ready to conquer anything. This is the method where healing meets power. Don't just survive, dominate your day, rub, breathe. Rise! The world won't wait, but now neither will you. Collision, activate your inner calm switch, discover how a simple rib rub can instantly calm your nervous system and release deep seated stress trapped in your chest. This isn't magic, it's body science in action. You've probably never thought about it this way, but your ribs aren't just there to protect your lungs and heart. They're actually one of your body's fastest access points to calm your nervous system. When life gets stressful, your body tightens up, especially around the chest. Your breathing gets shallow, your shoulders creep up, and before you know it, your body is stuck in fight or flight mode. But here's the good news, you can shut that response off almost instantly. All it takes is the right touch, the right breath, and a little awareness. Start by placing your hand right along the sides of your ribs, just under your chest. Feel that space. That's where your intercostal muscles live. Small but mighty muscles that help you breathe deeply. Begin rubbing that area gently in a circular motion. Don't dig in hard. This isn't about force, it's about connection. You're stimulating the nerves that send a direct signal to your brain saying, "Hey, it's safe to relax now." You'll notice as you do this that your breath naturally deepens without you even trying. That's your diaphragm freeing up, your chest expanding, your body saying thank you. As you keep rubbing, tune into what's happening inside. Feel the warmth spreading through your ribs. Feel the release as the tightness melts away. You might even notice your shoulders dropping, your heartbeat slowing, and a sense of calm washing over you. That's not coincidence, that's physiology. You're flipping the switch from stress to serenity, from tension to total relaxation. The beauty of this is that you can do it anywhere, sitting at your desk, before bed, or right in the middle of a tough day. You don't need equipment, time, or technique. Just a moment of awareness and a few simple movements. Your ribs are your reset button, your secret weapon against chaos. Boost your breathing power, learn how loosening your rib muscles frees up your diaphragm, unlocking fuller, deeper breaths that flood your body with oxygen and clarity. Most people go through their day barely breathing. Think about it. We sit hunched over phones, computers, steering wheels, our chest caves in. Our ribs tighten up, and our lungs never get the space they're designed for. That shallow breathing keeps your body in a low-grade stress mode all day long. You might not even notice it, but your energy dips, your focus fades, and your muscles stay tense. The secret to breaking that cycle is unlocking the ribs. Because when your ribs move, your breathing power returns. Now, I want you to take one hand and place it gently on the side of your chest. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel your ribs expand outward. That's your body trying to open up. But if you feel resistance, if your breath gets stuck halfway, that's where this simple rib rub comes in. Start massaging the spaces between your ribs, just under the chest line, side to side. You're not just working muscles, you're waking them up. You're freeing the intercostals that allow the lungs to fully expand. And the moment you do that, your breathing transforms. Suddenly, oxygen floods your system, your brain lights up, Your heart rate evens out. You feel clarity where there was fog, energy where there was fatigue. Deep breathing isn't just about relaxation. It's your body's most powerful performance enhancer. More oxygen means more fuel for every cell, every muscle, every thought. It's like hitting the reset button on your entire system. As you keep rubbing and breathing, notice how your whole posture changes. Your chest opens, your shoulders pull back, your body feels taller, stronger, more alive. That's not just physical, it's mental. You're training your body to breathe like it was meant to. You're teaching it to expand, not collapse. So don't wait until you're stressed or drained to do this. Make it a habit. Breathe deep, rub the ribs, and let every breath remind you energy is already inside you, waiting to be released. Melt away tension and anxiety. Target the hidden muscles that cause tightness, anxiety, and fatigue. 1 minute of rib work can feel like a full body reset without a massage table. You ever notice how tension seems to live in your body even when your mind says you're fine? It hides deep in the chest, the ribs, the upper back, places most people never think to release. That's where anxiety likes to settle. You can stretch your neck, roll your shoulders, even meditate for an hour. But if your ribs are locked up, your body still feels like it's holding its breath. That tightness creates pressure on your diaphragm, makes every inhale shorter, and keeps your nervous system stuck in alert mode. But here's the amazing part. When you rub the ribs, you can melt that tension almost instantly. Take your fingertips and start gently working along the rib line, right where the soft tissue meets the bone. Feel that tenderness, that's trapped emotion, stress, and shallow breathing all bundled together. As you rub, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. You might feel a wave of warmth, maybe even a sigh escape. That's your body letting go. You're not just massaging muscles, you're giving your nervous system permission to stand down. Every small circular motion sends a message up to the brain, we're safe. And when the brain believes that, it releases its grip on the body. You'll notice your heartbeat slowing, your jaw loosening, your thoughts clearing. It's a chain reaction. Touch the ribs, open the lungs, calm the mind. This isn't theory. This is how your body is wired. The more you practice it, the faster it works. You can do it sitting in your car before a big meeting, or lying in bed when your mind won't shut off. The beauty is in its simplicity. No tools, no tricks, just your hands and awareness. You'll feel lighter, freer, more at peace. Ignite circulation and energy flow. Rubbing the ribs stimulates blood flow and lymph movement, your body's natural detox highways. Feel instant warmth and energy ripple through your core. When most people think of energy, they think of caffeine, sugar, or a power nap. But real, lasting energy doesn't come from a cup. It comes from circulation. The better your blood and lymph flow, the more alive you feel. And the truth is, the ribs play a massive role in that process. They're not just part of your skeleton. They're a moving pump for your body. Every time you breathe deeply and move those ribs, you're circulating oxygen, nutrients, and life force through your entire system. But when your ribs get stiff and the muscles around them lock up, that flow slows down. You start feeling sluggish, foggy, drained, like your internal battery can't fully charge. Now here's where the magic happens. When you start rubbing along the ribs, especially on the sides and under the chest, you're waking up your body's natural circulation engine. Use your palms, apply gentle pressure, and move in slow, firm circles. Feel that warmth rising under your hands. That's blood rushing to the area, capillaries opening, oxygen flowing. You're not just relaxing tissue, you're reviving it. And as the blood starts to move, so does your energy. This is also stimulating your lymphatic system, which is like the body's internal cleanup crew. It clears toxins, flushes out waste, and keeps inflammation in check. When circulation and lymph flow are both active, your cells start functioning at their peak. Your mind sharpens. Your body feels lighter. It's like someone turned the power back on inside you. You'll notice it almost immediately, a gentle buzz through your core, a sense of alert calmness. You're not wired, you're alive. And that's the key. Energy doesn't mean being hyped up. It means being fully awake in your body. So next time you feel your energy dipping, skip the coffee. Instead, put your hand on your ribs, breathe, and get that flow moving again. You'll feel your body come back online, because your best energy doesn't come from outside, it's built from within. Reprogram your mind. Body connection. When you touch and breathe consciously, you signal safety to your brain, flipping your body from fight or flight into pure recovery mode. Most people go through life disconnected from their own bodies. We think stress starts in the mind, but in reality, it's a full body experience, one that the body remembers long after the moment passes. Every shallow breath, every clenched muscle, every moment you push through without releasing tension, it builds up. And when that happens, your brain starts to see your body as a battlefield instead of a home. But here's the breakthrough. When you place your hands on your ribs and breathe intentionally, you're not just soothing muscles, you're reprogramming how your mind and body talk to each other. Start by putting one hand on each side of your rib cage. Take a slow breath in, feel your ribs expand, then exhale gently as you rub that space in small circles. Don't rush it, feel it. What you're doing in that moment is sending powerful feedback through your nervous system. You're telling your brain it's okay to let go. The body listens to touch more than it listens to word. With every breath, you're building a new signal loop, one that connects calm awareness with physical release. You'll notice it in your posture. You'll notice it in your breathing. The body begins to trust again. That's the essence of the mind-body connection, teaching your nervous system that relaxation is safe, that being calm doesn't mean being weak, that stillness can coexist with strength. When you do this regularly, your entire system starts to shift. Your thoughts slow down. Your focus sharpens. You respond instead of react. You stop fighting your own body and start working with it. This is where real healing begins, not from the outside, but from the inside out. Every gentle rub, every mindful breath is like rewriting your body's operating code. You're not trying to escape stress, you're mastering it. So when the world feels loud and your mind starts racing, go back to your breath, your ribs, your rhythm. Reconnect, because the power to reset your mind starts right beneath your hands. Conquer stress anytime, anywhere, no tools. No gym, no excuses. This simple daily technique can help you relax, recharge, and refocus, whether you're at work, driving, or winding down for sleep. Here's the truth: life isn't slowing down. Stress, noise, deadlines, screens, they're everywhere. You can't always control what's happening around you, but you can control what happens inside you. And that's where this simple rib rubbing technique becomes your secret weapon. You don't need a gym, a massage table, or 20 minutes of meditation. You just need your hands, your breath, and a few seconds of awareness. It's the ultimate anytime, anywhere reset button for your body and mind. Picture this. You're sitting in traffic, shoulders tight, frustration rising. Instead of letting that stress build, Slide one hand onto your ribs, take a deep breath in through your nose, and gently rub that area as you exhale. Instantly, you'll feel your breath deepen, your pulse slow, your tension ease. You've just interrupted the stress cycle before it could take over. That's how powerful this is. It's self-regulation on demand. You can do it before a big meeting when anxiety creeps up, or at night when your brain won't quiet down. The ribs are like a built-in control panel. Touch them, move them, breathe through them, and your entire nervous system responds. Every rub is a reminder that relaxation isn't a luxury. It's a choice you can make right where you are. And the more often you do it, the faster it works. You'll start noticing that your body doesn't hold on to stress the same way. Your reactions soften, your breathing stays open, and your mind stays clear even in the middle of chaos. You become centered not because the world is calm, but because you are. This is how you take control back. You don't wait for peace, you create it. You don't wait for calm, you command it. So the next time the pressure starts to rise, don't look around for relief. Look inward, rub your ribs, breathe deep, and remind your body who's in charge, because calm isn't found out there. It's built right here. So here's your takeaway. Your body already holds the key to instant calm. You don't need a gadget, a pill, or a perfect environment. You just need your breath and your ribs. Every time you rub, breathe, and release, you're reminding your body who's in control. You're not escaping stress, you're mastering it. Do this daily. Do it with intention, and watch how fast your energy, focus, and peace transform. The power isn't out there, it's right beneath your hands. So go ahead, rub your ribs, breathe deep, and relax instantly. Your calm starts now.